Hi y'all, so welcome back. Today is part 2 of my birthday gift purchases. So if you're interested, just keep watching. So today I am going to show you part 2 of the purchases that I made, and I had previously unboxed these and they came so beautifully wrapped. So I'll show you a little bit of that footage as I'm talking about these items. The first item that I want to talk about is this belt, and I wanted this belt because of the color. I don't have anything that is kind of this cream color, and I thought it was so pretty. And I also like the little Tory Burch double T there, and all of the items that I bought were on sale. Now I will tell you that I did purchase these. Let me take that little plastic off. Before I purchased my Louis Vuitton purse. Like, this was gonna be my birthday gift to myself, and everything was right at $670. All of this was on sale. And if you know Tory Burch, they can be pretty expensive. And so here's that without the little plastic on it. And I really thought this was pretty. I wish that I had gotten this in a medium instead of a small. I did read the measurements on it, and I felt like the small would be good. I don't like for this flap to hang out a whole lot, which is why I decided to get the small. It fits and I like it. I just, most of the time you like belts to fit like right in the middle, and so this is how it fits on me with all of these hanging out over here. But usually when there's, let's see, there's seven holes there, you normally want to be right in the middle, which is right there, and that's just way too small for me. I measured it with my Louis Vuitton belt, and it's about 2 inches smaller, although they both fall under the same waist size. And so it's okay, I don't mind. I'll just have to wear it like that. And so that's the belt that I bought. And as I was looking at the shoes, I saw a pair of shoes that I just loved. Like, I loved. They didn't have my size. The only size that they had was a size 5. And so they had these in green and they had them in blue. And so what I decided to do was I decided to just get them in blue. I just bit the bullet and said, I'm just gonna get them in blue because I just love them, because they are so pretty. And before I checked out, these came available. These were the ones that I wanted. I didn't want the blue, I wanted these green, and they were a whole size too small. So these are actually a size 5.5. I normally wear a size 6.5, and so I decided to, because I like them so much. I love the heel. It's a red Croc. The front is green. I like the cream straps with the metal tip, and I just thought, well, I'm just gonna order them. If they fit me, they fit me. If they don't, they don't. It'll be fine. I thought it would be okay since they were open in the back, that even if my heel hung out a little bit, that it would be okay. So I'll insert some footage of me wearing them. I think they look fine. I don't think that my heel hangs out too much. They feel good here on the front. And so I was just so happy that I was able to get these, and I thought these would match a little bit better with the belt, but they don't. The belt is more of an ivory cream, and the straps on the heels are more of a beige cream, I would say. But definitely do love these. I like them a lot, and I think they're gonna work out just fine. So I went ahead and bought a bag from Tory Burch. And although I have a bag that's just like a little tote bag from Tory Burch, I really have never bought a bag from Tory Burch. And so this one again was on sale, and it was before, again, I mentioned getting my Louis Vuitton. And when I told my husband that I was looking for a bag, I told him I really want something that's like a nude, like a neutral color, because I don't have that. This one retails for $498, and I got it for $299. And so this will be the first time seeing it for me, so okay. Okay, so a little bit darker than I thought it would be. I really did like it because it has the chain strap, and I always like the chain straps with my Louis Vuittons. I really like the chain strap. So this one looks like it's kind of a rose gold strap. I tell you, I'm really bad at reading descriptions and not really making sure it's the color that I think I'm gonna like. But I do like it. It's a bigger bag. It's bigger than I normally wear, I would say, on a normal basis. It has a flat opening. Take this out. It comes with a dust bag. Seems kind of small for, well, no, I guess it's not. So the shoes also came with a dust bag as well, and you'll see that when I include the unboxing of the shoes. I think all of that is just, so this is what the inside looks like. It has 2 compartments, a zipped pocket here, and another pocket here. So there's a pocket here, and then there's a zip pocket here. And it has 2 compartments, so that's kind of nice. I don't think I have. So let me just take the rest of this stuff out so you can see a little bit better. And then it has a middle compartment here as well. So it has a lot of places to store things. So very pleased with that. I guess I just thought this was going to be more of a neutral color, and it's more of a dark taupe color. Dark brown-ish, I would say. Okay, so here it is on. It's pretty. I do like it. Again, as I mentioned, just not the color that I expected, but nonetheless, I don't have a bag this color. So those are the items that I bought from Tory Burch. I'm really happy with my purchases, and it took a long time for me to get them. I would say I ordered them April the 6th, hoping I would get them for my birthday, and I just got the last item like a couple of days ago. And so worth the wait, definitely. Really happy with all the items, and because they were on sale, I was able to get all 3. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.